Okay, now we are just going to work a bit on styling our application. So we'll first go to our header and move the activity from here to here. So here is our activity. We are going to move it right here instead of that link. Okay, we see that it is open, our users, our courses. Now we'll make the activities look a bit better. For this, we're going to use Bootstrap. So we'll go to Bootstrap and see what we'd like to use. So we will use this list group. Yeah, we're going to have activities displayed in such a list. So let's copy the style, HTML to HAML. Okay, we see how it looks. We're going to our activities. Okay, we're going to have a list group where this is all going to be nested. And each will have such a class. So like this. And this will be all nested inside. Now let's see how it looks. Okay, looks already better. Now let's also make this header look better. So we're going to the activity header. We're going to add it to text center. And activity is count. We're going to put it in a nice badge. Badge info. Okay, and we are also going to make it bigger, so H2 will be fine. Actually, I like H3 more. Okay, so we're going to have such kind of header for each page. We're going to our users index, and here we are also going to add such a header, but with users count, and with courses. So we are going to courses index. So courses and courses count. Okay, looks fine. Actually, we can also do with a small paragraph here. Let's make it P. Yeah, just P. Okay, we'll add it in all the other views. So we have it here, we have it here. Save, users courses, and we'll add it to activity. So we're going to activity index. Okay. Looks quite fine. Now let's go and see what we have on our homepage. So we'll have our popular courses, our top rated courses, our latest courses, and maybe something else. Now we have a search field here. Let's see if it still works. It doesn't work because we deleted the controller where it worked. So let's see. Controller, courses, controller. It's the test controller. Here's our courses controller. So we deleted this kind of code that made it work. It would mean that we need to add a new button that would make this work. So we are just going to go to our header and copy this search form. So we're going to our header. I mean to our home index page. And here we are going to try to add this ransack form. So here's our ransack form. Actually, let's add the same text, find the course to the old form. So when we search in ransack, we get an answer, art, and we find art here. Okay, we're going to get rid of the old form. We're just going to comment it. Okay, and what else do we want to do here? Yes, we're going to have an error if we log out. You see, we need to have the global search variable even if the user is not logged in at the moment. So we are going to add the search field only if we have the current user. Okay, I forgot the if statement. So if current user, then we're going to have it. Looks fine. Now let's also add a footer to our application. So we're going to our application HTML HAML. Here it is in our layouts. And we are also going to render a footer. So on the very bottom, render layouts, footer. And we are going to create a footer layout. Okay, and we're going to add some code here. So we will add something like this. Let's see how it looks. Okay, we've got a footer. Looks fine. Now let's also edit some kind of color. So it will look like dot background, let's say success for now. Let's see how it looks. Let's give it a green background.